Greetings students, in this video we are going to go over how to use Microsoft Sway for your multimedia remediation project. Remember, this is a service that you already have offered to you through your Georgia Virtual O365 account. So let me show you where to go to get instructions on how to get to Sway. If you remember, in your student resources, if you click on the drop down menu, you can go to what's called the Student Success site. Once this site pops up, you have your left-hand navigation column that will show you how to access multitude of information for things at Georgia Virtual School. So we're going to scroll down or move down to Office 365 and click on that. Quick introduction to Office 365 is going to show you how to get, and I'm going to pause that so we're not listening to two voices, how to get to your O365 tools. You have a waffle when you log into Office 365, which will bring up these different tools. In this particular video, she doesn't go over Sway. Let me see if I can get to it. She doesn't go over Sway in the video, but this is how you get to Sway. So you'll watch this video and she talks about going over Mail, Calendar, getting to Word, PowerPoint, OneNote. Well, if you look down here at the bottom is Sway. And so you will access Sway by going to O365 and then just simply clicking on this button. And so I went ahead and pulled up my Microsoft Sway. When you get into it, it's going to look like this. You can see you're in Georgia Virtual Learning, Sway. So you can click New Blank Sway. And then you're going to start by titling your Sway, Multimedia Remediation Project. I might also go ahead and put my name and the project or assignment I would like to have replaced. So for my example, we're using Personality Multiple Choice Exam. Inside of Sway, you have a lot of different features. You can change your different backgrounds or images here. Let's show what that looks like. You can click on images anytime, and you can do a search for images. You can pull images from your device, your student OneDrive. Let's say if I want one on psychology, it's going to bring up images from the web. So all you have to do is type in, and you can pick any image that comes in the URL, or the search rather. Maybe I want one for Sigmund Freud. It does help to spell his name correct. But then I get images for Sigmund Freud. So there's a plethora of those over there. So this is a great feature for this project. To add media here, you click on this plus sign, and for each of the 5 topics that you're going to use, I would distinguish those with a heading. So my first one, in my example for the personality exam, is I want to look at psychoanalysis. So there's my heading. You can add an image here, you can add text, you can go ahead and start writing about it in that, or whatever you need to do. And then when you're ready for more content, you're going to hit Insert Content. And so, again, you have text where you can write. I made another heading, which I really don't want to do. Text. You can add some text. You can type psycho important because that just gives you an idea. You can also insert media. You have video, audio. You can use embed codes, or you can use images. And remember, with your project, for each of the topics, you need 2 of some type of media file, whether it be an image, a graphic, a chart. Again, you can search for images over here, or you can pull from your computer that are saved. If you wanted to do a YouTube link and you wanted to embed it, you would get your embed code. Let's look at that on YouTube. Let's do crash course psychology on YouTube. Let's look at the brain, just to pull something up. So I have this, getting to know your brain, and to get the embed code so I can use it for my project. I don't want to do that. No. When I get to the video, which it keeps taking me other places, let's find any video. Okay, so when I get to the video, I'm going to go down here to share. And then I'm going to click on embed. And then I'm going to copy this whole code. Copy, and I'm come back to my Sway, and I'm going to paste it here. And that's gonna put it in there for you. And you can see your videos over here. Then I can go on and, continue with the next heading. Once I finish the requirements for the first topic, which might be trait theory, and then say I am finished with my Sway. So I want to check a couple of things. We're going to go to share. And I want you to click on anyone with a link. Even though I'm within your organization and I should be able to see it, excuse me, just to avoid any issues, please click on anyone with the link. And then view is fine, and then here is your URL. So I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go to my course. It could be AP Psychology AB or AP Psychology B. I'm going to go to Dropbox. I'm going to go to the first tab, Multimedia Grade Replacement Project. And I'm going to make sure I've covered all the points on the rubric before I submit. It's listed there. And I'm going to come down here. You have to add a file, so you can just simply go to your computer and upload an image. Use this to be quick. And then in the comments box, paste that URL for your Sway. And then this is another place that you can write, please replace my personality multiple choice exam. And then hit submit. And so when I come in, I can just click your link, and it will take me to your Sway. Now obviously this one's not finished, so it'll look a lot better once you finish. But when you play it, it'll come through and you can see the different designs. One thing I didn't know or tell you about is that you can preview it by hitting play when you're working on it to see what it looks like. So just reminders, as far as grading goes, it does take some time to grade these. The grade doesn't automatically go into the grade book. So if you're watching that and you see a grade in the Dropbox, it might not automatically be in the grade book because I have to manually go in and delete grades and replace them for this assignment. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out.